All right, everyone, we're out here. We're at Possum Kingdom. We're doing the THSBA Jackpot tournament. Now, this is our official last high school tournament. So, first cast is just about to happen. So, I'm gonna turn y'all over to the GoPro. We're gonna get after it. Now it's recording, I guess. Oh, these are main lake dogs.
Yeah, these are some Evolv boas here.
These rocks jump out too.
Oh,
yeah. So it's kind of, can be kind of spooky. You think you're in 15, 20 foot. Next thing you know, there's a giant boulder right there in front of you.
I like that. What is that house? That house is on what kind of foundation? It looks like a muffin.
Holes. That's one of the houses. It has one of those rail, it has one of those rail systems that come out.
Yeah.
I have caught.
I wonder if that house has a micro wobble. It is the micro wobble. See, I don't know about you, but I don't know if I like that little bend right there.
What?
That bend in that line.
As well as that.
I'm assuming I'm gonna look like what Ian Munsick looks like when his mom gets him ready for the pool. I know my mom right now is thinking, you better go on your sunscreen. Right. Fish just blew up way out there. Way out there.
Even though I said that you should probably throw your back. Yeah, I mean, if don't like work it out, it's like, I mean, if you catch it, we'll figure it out.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
I'm gonna go back to those rails and flagging rig.
Go good? That is so crazy. That's like, what's going on?
Look at how sexy that street is.
Oh, that is so Hugging. Keep him down.
Please be a bass.
This is a catfish.
I think it's catfish.
Yeah, he's not coming up at the ball. Good.
Is it catfish? Is it a catfish?
I think it is. That's my hypothesis. This would be the weirdest bass ever. It's literally going down.
trying to go down? Yeah. Probably a cat.
I thought I had a giant.
I guess it could be a drum, striper.
Yeah, it's something.
Is he stuck?
Yeah, he was in the trees for a second. Come on.
You got your wrap on the rock?
Oh,
Huh?
I really can't tell.
Get on this other side so you can get him out.
It's stuck.
I think he may be stuck.
Do you still feel him on there?
No, I don't.
Oh, I see it.
See it?
I think I see something.
Which way do you need me to go? Huh? He's got him wrapped on something? Is he loose now?
Came out, yeah.
Is he loose?
Yeah. What is wrapped in?
What is it?
I think it just keeps wrapping itself. We're like laughing. This is a 13-pounder.
You know, normally I don't feel it until somehow gets off or running.
What do I need to do with the boat? Need to go back that way or just...
I would say just.
Oh my God.
That's fast. Keep him down.
I'm jumping in after the fish. So it gets
Is he still coming back? There he is. He's tired. Is this recording? Oh my. Is this record? I hope this thing's on, dude.
Oh, we thought it was a catfish. Is that the spot lock for it? We need a spot lock.
Oh my God.
Spot lock.
Barely hooked.
No, barely?
Barely.
Dude, that thing was running like it was a catfish. Is that a 10-pounder? When she came up, dude, oh my God.
Dude, it went from serious to, oh, this is just a catfish to holy crap.
Yeah, I went from serious to, yeah, they were.
I gotta tell you, I got a little nervous there. Like, oh, when I saw it, and it went under the dock. It's like,
Yeah,
Yeah.
I
Dang
got a
it.
little scared. When it started splashing under there. How do you feel about that, Jed?
About what?
Like two people filming the exact same thing.
The only time I'm fine with that is if it's just some extraordinary pattern you
Yeah.
found and it's just blown them up.
See, I do not like it.
Other than that, I think we should all be different.
Like, it would ick me out if I ended up like throwing a wacky rig. I mean, obviously this is a variation,
But it's a different profile.
and it's gonna sit on the bottom.
Yeah.
It's gonna
yeah,
sit.
what's your? That's a thinner profile. Is yours true wacky stick bait?
Yeah, oh yeah.
The old Yamamoto.
Profile.
I have that weightless. And
Well,
yours,
you're doing a lot
yours
of-
is going down in vertical.
Yeah, down.
And mine's doing this.
Yeah, and mine's gonna sit on the. Yours is gonna be more middle of the water column, and mine's gonna be more on the bottom.
Well, I'm glad history came back and treated us right.
What you guys want here? Right.
Maybe you get one. Yeah, I've been good on it. We haven't really set up a 5 to 10 squad.
Or should I do spinnerbait first and then drop shot?
You do spinner. Bigger first.
Big.
Smallmouth.
Dude, that's like a 5. That's like a 4-pound smallmouth, dude.
Okay, I will say I thought it was like a 6-pound largemouth. I might have over.
Holy butterbeans, dude.
Got 12 pounds on 2 fish.
Dude, that thing hit it. Dude, I think you'll understand how hard the fish has hit that bait.
Dude, we need to get a weight on that bad girl right there.
I'm not even trusting Bubba.
So we'll go just past that first line.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
Beautiful.
Holy moly. Fish fight, fish fight.
Okay, let's just go.
We're going to have Landon and Jet from Keller, 2 fish. I believe they're going to be the last team to weigh in today. All right, we'll weigh Big Bass just to check. They've got 1084 on 2 fish. All right, their Big Bass, 761. 761, good fish.
Alright everyone, thanks for making it through the video. Sorry there weren't many fish catches on camera. Unfortunately, the GoPro was having issues in the first part of the morning with all corrupted files. So literally, the GoPro didn't have pretty much any footage until right before I caught my PB. So that's a real bummer. I'm sorry about that. We finished the tournament in 7th with 10.84 pounds. So not bad for 2 fish. Awesome way to finish off your high school career. I mean, catching your PB at one of the most beautiful lakes in Texas, PK. I mean, that place has my heart. So yeah, thanks for following my high school bass fishing career. Even though high school tournaments are over, this is not the last of fishing tournaments from me. I'm looking forward to the next 4 years down at Tarleton State University. And like, subscribe, comment down below what else y'all want to see. And the videos are going to get a whole lot better because I got a DJI Action 6. So can't wait to start sharing that footage with y'all. See y'all.